and empowerment. They are about to be endorsed by UK Parliament, United Kingdom Parliament. Mind you, it was UK that colonized us, so anything Nigeria is UK, anything UK is Nigeria. Please, you need to join in clapping and welcoming this wonderful woman for Buhari and Osinbajo. And like I told you, and the women will be given space to also display their talent in dancing. It is not only Davido or Tiwa Savage that can dance. Our women for Buhari and Osinbajo can dance Kalangu, Barmini Choge, Fuji Garbage, Sonny Ades Juju, and even the wonderful Bagi, Gwandara, Gade Gade, Gana Gana, and even dance from Mambila, where Zanna, the erudite Dr. Ahmad Saleh, a retired military officer, a player in the stability of our nascent democracy, is going to witness. Once again, we say, this first dance by women for Buhari and Osinbajo is going to be in honor of our Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary, Dr. Ahmad Saleh, Zanna Mambila, Shugaban Talakawa, Shugaban wanda bai da girman kai, Shugaban kasan da ke cin dan wake a hanya ba ruwansa. He has seen it all. He has worked with President Babangida as military president. He has worked with different heads of state, but even at that, he chose to live among the people he will listen to every day. And who are these people? It's Talakawas. He has attributes and same principle with late Mala Aminu Kano and other statesmen like Sir Ahmadu Bello, Tafawa Balewa, Nnamdi Azikiwe, Samuel Ladoke Akintawa, Nnamdi Azikiwe, Dennis Osadebe, and host of other first world politicians who fought for our independence. You are welcome, sir. The women for Buhari and Osinbajo are going to dance in honor of Dr. Ahmad Saleh, Zanna Mambila, Shugaban Talakawa, Nigeria.
Okay, if you're an artist in the house or you have a special performance, please come backstage so you can give the DJ your songs. If you're an artist and you have a special performance, please come backstage. Salihu Dantata, thank you so much for the great job you're doing.
Thank you very much, Ambassador Phil. Ambassador Phil is a wonderful Niger Deltan, specifically from Delta State. And I think Nigerian youths that are calling that we should stop the administration should get to know that if there is any part of the world today that are facing environmental problems, is Niger Delta. But Ambassador Phil, who is my colleague in the Salute Nigeria Initiative Finger of the Trigger against insecurity, gender violence, as well as COVID-19, has chosen rather to contribute positively so that tomorrow younger people, both male and female, can be in the state legislature by becoming state House of Assembly members, House of Rep members, Senate, in the armed forces, in the police, in immigration, customs, civil defense, fire service, road safety, VIO, belong to judiciary and not become third world persons that somebody will go to America or UK, collect money from detractors who have prophesied our disintegration they refuse to be, and come and disguise and be calling us names. United we stand, divided we fall, and Ambassador Phil, God is going to bless you always. Yes, the women for Buhari Osinbajo, if you are there, please come out and show your dance steps. Women for Buhari and Osinbajo. Are you there? Okay, come out. The floor is yours. Yes. Women for Buhari and Osinbajo, on the watch of Dr. Ahmad Saleh, is in your honor. I welcome you, sir. I love your Babaniga. Maybe when I'm going to become chairman of Babambola Association, because that's the only title I want, sir, I'll come and get the number of your tailor. You are welcome, sir.
Please, all artists that want to perform, please.
Women for Buhari and Osinbajo.
All artists that want to perform, bring your song to the DJ so that the MC can be able to know when to call you, please.
Every woman. Strong mamas them.
Yes, women. Ambassador Phil has just called my attention. We are also welcoming Ambassador Chielo Ojerika, is the founder and initiator of Salute Nigeria Initiative, against COVID-19 gender violence and insecurity, fighting against armed banditry, terrorism, as well as kidnap activities. We must support our Nigerian police. And Salute Nigeria initiative is supported by Nigerian Police Force Headquarters as well as State House and other key organizations like VIO, DRTS in Abuja, and some other wonderful foundations. I've been directed to request the pleasure of the Zana Mambila because he's an elder statesman, youth emancipator, and a Democrat to give us Islamic opening prayers, sir. Dr. Ahmad Saleh, sir.
The most merciful, please, this man, master of the day of judgment. Let it go. He alone will worship and he alone will ask for help. Guide us onto the right path, not on those who have expressed your anger, but on those who have expressed your favor. Me, Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, Deen, إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
Thank you very much. Say amen to it. Once again, you know we are a secular state, Islam and Christianity, and we are united. We visit each other during Christmas, during Easter, Eid Kabir and Fitr. United we are in the faith of God. On this note, I'd like to invite Ambassador Chelo Ojerika to give us the Christian opening prayer. He is the founder and initiator of Salute Nigeria initiative of the Finger of the Trigger, supported by State House and the Nigerian Police.
Shall we please rise? Please rise for the prayer. Heavenly Father, thank you for this opportunity. Thank you for Mr. President as he crossed 78. 78 is not a minor thing. And we are here to celebrate him. We are here to thank God for keeping him, giving him some good health, keeping him strong, in as much as he went through some hard periods some years ago. Father Almighty, we thank you for making that possible. We want also use this medium to plead to God to change the mind of those people that are causing problems in this country. Let Nigeria remain peaceful that it used to be. All those people that wants Nigeria to disintegrate, I say, Allah Majeh, Tokyo Apart, God forbid, and Allah Kiai, Nigeria shall remain united, shall remain peaceful, and that God keep the president healthy and stronger, so that Nigeria will reap the truth of his experience as another statement. All this we ask in Jesus' name.
Thank you very much, Ambassador Chieno.
National anthem.
Now we will do, let me change to Hausa accent. I have different types of accent. We are going to do the necessary. And the necessary is the national anthem. Our security agents, our civilians, and everybody, it is time to do once again what makes us proud in the Committee of Nations and what keeps us united. Can we rise for the national anthem? DJ, after the count of 3. Ambassador Phil? Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Open DJ. Thank you very much. You may remain seated. God bless Nigeria. United we stand. On this note, I'd like to call on women for Buhari and Osibanjo to come and give us their talent in dancing. This dancing is street arms dancing, theater dancing, and armed forces dancing. Naval is inside, air forces inside an army. Women for Buhari and Osibanjo, today is the day. Where are you? The floor is here. Are you guys afraid? Women for Buhari, Obasanjo, we want to see you dance.
Honorable Salihu Dantata, I think before the event officially kickstart, Mr. Kabiru, which is a senior member of the Stand With Buhari movement, so that he can come and say one or two words.
Okay, thank you very much. Before then, we'd like to recognize the presence of Abdurazak Mamman, who is representing North Central Youth Vanguard, Kwara, Nasarawa, Kogi, Benue, and others. North Central is a great state. Thank you.
You say North Central people, say... You say get one person they won't recognize from North Central.
We want to... we want to recognize the presence of Ambassador Barrister Fatima Jineta, National Legal Advisor for Women
It's Koiki Media, where we bring you the good, the bad, and the ugly, where we bring you the news, the raw news. We don't edit, we don't add, we don't remove. We bring it live to your doorstep as hot. Please follow us. We are live right now at the Unity Fountain here in Abuja. The 78th birthday of the president.
So IG,
this party is being organized by the women wing, Northern Women Wing of APC.
Esteemed, vocal, as well as internationally acknowledged police band. If you are here, you are welcome, officers and men of the Nigerian police band. Nigerian police band over the years have had opportunity.
This Northern wing of APC is being made up of Yoruba, Igbo, and Hausas. We have Yoruba people here, we have Hausa people, and we have Igbos.
As well as terrorism. A betterly equipped police will give rise to security in the country. You know, constitutionally, it is the duty of the police to maintain internal security. It is my prayer that the police trust fund will properly equip outposts, division headquarters, area commands, zonal commands, up to force headquarters, so that the least constable in the police will be moving with walkie-talkie, heated pistol.
It's Koiki Media, where we don't compromise. Koiki Media, we want a better country. We want Oduduwa nation. We want good of the Nigeria. We want good of the people. We want the good and the good and the good of everyone. But we still don't compromise. We are live here at the 78th birthday party of Mr. President. As a matter of fact, he is not present here right now. He's in Daura, his hometown. But this celebration is going on his behalf, which is being organized by the northern part of the APC. That is the I Stand With Buhari and Osibanjo group.
Yes, while waiting for the dancers, I would like to throw you a little unity caution. An American who came to Nigeria to do business was in the Niger Delta, and he was infiltrating and inciting minds of youths. Then one of the youths from Urobo community now said, "To hell with America." Hear the response of the American. "What the hell are you trying to say? You trying to dent the image of my country? To hell with you. All the support I gotta give you, I withdraw it." That is patriotism. You see, he came to incite. Now, they insulted America. He was angry, but he is the one that brought dollars to incite so that the youth will continue revolt against the country. So we should shine our eyes, Nigerian youths. No wahala they kill. United, we can get development, we can get education, healthcare delivery, and others. DJ, give music for the Fulani dancers. They are called bass dancers. Okay, your women for Buhari. Okay, they are ready now. Do you want old school or new school? Okay, DJ, if you are ready, put music that suits their dancing step. But I want to see you out first before the music starts. The women for Buhari and Osibanjo. This event is streaming live on I Stand With Buhari on Facebook. So you can connect I Stand With Buhari on Facebook. It's streaming live. And when we say streaming live, it means as you are all here, you are being watched in America, United Kingdom, Germany, Rwanda, Somalia, Libya, Syria, Nicaragua, Czechoslovakia, Russia, Uzbekistan, Pakistan, India, Nepal. Yes, we are also recognizing the presence of all members of I Stand With Buhari from all the 36 states of the Federation and Abuja. DJ, I haven't heard of the music. The women for Buhari and Osibanjo, are you ready? Okay, DJ, play the music.
Okay, you are streaming. Yeah, I'm streaming.
She will stay with me in Niger Delta where there is no good road.
Hey, allergy.
Yeah, cherish you.
show Thank you very much, our wonderful women. These women can dance even during the United Nations General Assembly. You are wonderful. Thank you very much. Women for Buhari and Osibanjo, thank you very much. Thank you. You will still have more to dance. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. On this note, I'd like to invite the peace dancers, a Fulani socio-cultural dance, to come and show their talent by displaying to Nigerians. The peace dancers, the Fulani dancers that are known as peace dancers. Yes, please let's give a round of applause to the peace dancers. You know our president is a Fulani man, so once his people are coming to dance, we should give it all the attention. If really we are here for the celebration of the birthday of our president, who has reduced terrorism to the barest minimum. He has also been able to make corruption to be a thing to be feared in the Millennium Development Agencies, offices, and also others. Like I said, every country in the world has its own flesh of it. On this note, I like to invite the peace dancers of the Fulani dynasty. Thank you very much.
Nigeria kuzomu hadake. Nigeria kuzomu hadake. Okeke kasa se kasa. Nigeria oh eh. Nigeria kuzomu hadake.
This is my listen.
No, don't worry.
UK media.
No, don't worry. I'm DG Operation for Istanbul's Bari.
Okay, yeah.
Yes, I just want to know.
You want the people to know what is going on both here in Nigeria and outside Nigeria.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Yes, you are not clapping for Baba Buhari's tribe cultural dance. The Fulanis, no matter what people will say, contribute to economic development of this country. They rear animals from Abuja, Oyo, Osun, Kwara, up to Niger, Guinea. There is no country in Africa that you can find Fulbe. Fulbe is one of the wildest tribes, and you know the cow they rear has a lot of albarka. If you know what is called albarka in Hausa, is blessing. One, the cow, that is the cattle leg. You use it for bokoto. This bokoto, for those of you that normally patronize amala joints. Then the skin, we use it for fata mariga ikpomo. The head is used for isiewu, is used for unkobi and others. So I'm 50%. We've had presidents of Fulani dynasty like Shehu Aliu Shagari, First Republic Prime Minister Abubakar Tafawa Balewa, and now our own President Muhammadu Buhari Ambo Aisha. Yes, that is a peace cultural group, a Fulani performing cultural group. Please clap for them. They deserve to be clapped for. Especially women for Buhari and Osibanjo. They are your brothers and sisters, so clap for them. Thank you. called Sharo. Sharo normally is done when a Fulani male is looking for the hand of a Fulani girl in marriage. So it's called Sharo. So the winner of the Sharo gets the girl. So that is just the way they do in India, where women pay dowry. So this is a formality in the Fulani marriage rites, especially the Hausaje and the Bororoje. Yes, that is Sharo in action. For those of you that don't know, it's a popular, yes, Sharo in action. So if you want to marry a Fulani girl, you have to go and start practicing for Sharo. If them beat you, you don't go get the wife. But if now you win, they go give you the beautiful Fulani girl. So at the end of the day, the winner is going to get this beautiful girl. Yes, he's pleading. He has been defeated somehow. Ambassador Phil, what do you have to say, particularly coming from Niger Delta, of these worthy traditional virtues and rights?
You know, this shows that culture is one of those things that joins us together. And I would say football is what brings a lot of people together. But culture and tourism is one fact that brings Nigerians together. Please, can you put your hands together?
Thank you very much.
Great performance there.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Mama wants to celebrate them.
Thank you.
After that, Mama wants to celebrate them.
Thank you.
Celebrating him.
Thank you.
Can you put your hands together for Mama? So much love. She has enjoyed the performance. And they have done that is the final part where they get married. Happily ever after. That is how Baba Buhari got married too.
Thank you.
They are frog
and you know Baba Buhari is Fulani.
Yes,
Mama Aisha is Fulani. Fulani Daura, the Fulani Mayo Belwa, Adama. I want to recognize the presence of Madam Sarah David Ario, Deputy Director Admin, Social Development Secretariat Area 10. You are welcome, ma'am. She's also the Desk Officer, FCT Nigerians Diaspora Commission, NITCOM. Welcome, ma'am. How is Mama Abike Dabiri, the wonderful woman? She's my colleague in the broadcast industry. I can remember in '93 when I was still starting as a junior newspaper writer for New Nigerian newspaper. Mama Abike Dabiri was popularly known for Newsline. Whenever Frank Olise is not there, Mrs. Abike Dabiri is there. That woman is a wonderful woman. You are welcome, ma'am. Once again, like I told you earlier, we have Bebe. In Yoruba, Bebe means plenty, plenty. Many artists are here, including those that you might have been seeing in television. I've been directed to welcome gentlemen of the 4th Estate of the Realm, both brokers and prints. NTA, you can't beat the rich. I don't know where we are going to beat your rich. You are welcome. All other media organizations here present, both from print and brokers. Make I do it for layman English because my mama said no go school. You know, say for even journalism, brokers they print day. Those where they write for newspaper, now them be printy. The ones where they talk to you now for radio and television, now them be brokers. So now don't get PhD. Round of applause for our high table, our gentlemen of the press, and our wonderful women. On this note, I'd like to invite Hafsi Wise to come and give us a wonderful performance. If you are an artist known as Hafsi Wise, the stage is set for you. Thank you. Is Hafsi Wise here?